Bosch plastic compartment for our fridge. It is broken now, like this, and it fall down, and the door of the fridge do not close properly, and because of that we need to fix it. New compartment is 20 euro at Amazon, but plus delivery 20 euro, it's 40 euro, it's too much. Because of that we will try to fix it with help of this part and soldering iron. Let's try it. At first we need to do it like this below to hold it. I think we can do it with help of, we need fire. To do it hot. Yeah. Here. And it is the armament for this part. Then we cut it from here. Take a bottle. And we need some plastic to do things better. think it will be okay. It doesn't fall from our fridge. Let's try it. And here we have lock where the compartment must hold. And because of this problem, it's fall down here and the door do not close properly. And because of that, we have a problem. Now we fixed this problem completely. You can see we can put here everything we want. Ta-da!
Close it.